Hi, and welcome to Industry Insights live from the Heckerling Conference. My name is David Lennick, and I'm the Associate Legal Editor at Trust and Estates Magazine. Joining me today is George D. Karibjanian. He's a Senior Counsel in the Professional Planning Department in the Boca Raton, Florida office of Proskauer Rose. And George, you wrote an article for T&E about the Supreme Court's decision last summer.
Yes, I did.
Invalidate Section 3 of DOMA.
Yes.
What do you see that the planning implications for same-sex couples are in the wake of that decision?
It is very widespread. First of all, thank you for having me.
Oh, our pleasure.
There's a litany of issues both on federal and state. Federal, it seems tax-wise, a lot of it's been resolved. The IRS came out with a notice in August which basically said, we're going to treat you as married for all tax purposes, and if your years are open, you can go back and get a refund. But to me, the real fight in that area is going to be, what if your year's closed? And especially would apply if you had an estate or gift tax scenario where you weren't able to get the marital deduction. But the real fight is on the state law side. Because the other companion case, which doesn't get a lot of play but should, was the Hollingsworth v. Perry case, which said, well, we're not going to issue a ruling because the state of California isn't before us. But what that really does now, it still leaves every state to fend for itself. So you have certain states that recognize same-sex marriage. I think there's now upwards of 20, maybe off on that number. They're what we call recognition states. Other states, like my home state of Florida, disavow same-sex marriage. They don't recognize it, nor will they allow it to be conducted within their borders. They're what we call non-recognition states. So the real battle is going to be, what happens if you're in a non-recognition state trying to devise property for a same-sex married couple that may live in a recognition state. So it's quagmire is what I call it.
Thank you for your insight, George.
You're very welcome.
For more information, visit wealthmanagement.com.